Hi, my name is Ken Tovich and I'm the CEO of InFocus Group Holdings Limited. I'd like to take this opportunity to provide a short update on our business activities over the past few months. We've made a couple of changes with regards to our operations in Thailand. Following the acquisition of Trienpont in April 2024, which we changed the name to Onify Technology, and the acquisition of Prodigy in February of 2025, we appointed Chakrit Wichian, who was the CEO of Prodigy as CEO of the combined entities in Thailand. Chakrit brings a wealth of experience as well as quite a reputation in the region for providing software architecture, software solutions. He has a specific experience in payment gateways and in the Fintech space. And it's sort of a natural fit for Chakrit to take the lead for those organizations for us in Thailand to leverage his extensive business network and his capabilities. Over the past few updates, I've mentioned how we are trying to position the company for growth and being able to service enterprise level clients with increased capabilities. This past quarter, there was really a focus on investing towards that growth. In two ways, really. Our R&D spend was focused on developing and continuing to add to our data analytics capabilities, which sort of adds to our ability to service some of these larger clients with frontier technology digital solutions. And more notably, probably, is the investment we've made in business development and sales teams. It's actually we had a big project over the last year in terms of turning the company around, in terms of building capability to position and build for growth. In November, we really got our first, we really achieved sort of our first contract with a digital enterprise level client, and that was with GBO Assets. And we did that without any significant sales force. That was followed up in February with a second contract from that client, and then notably in the past few months, in the last quarter, TG Solutions. And we've achieved these without actually a significant sales presence. But in recognizing that over the last 2 months, we've added in that space. So we've had 2 significant sales resources come on board, and we're already starting to see the effect that has. There's the conflict of if you build it, they will come, but not only do you have to build the capability, you also have to be able to market it. So, and that's what we're really excited about in terms of investing towards future growth and the kinds of clients and work that we want to get involved in. And it's actually, personally for me, very exciting to be involved in developing some of these solutions and transitioning the company from sort of smaller things to smaller projects, less interesting projects, to projects in this frontier technology space of digital assets, payment gateways, and some of these, the higher value projects. Some of them have, many of them actually have an AI aspect to them, which is sort of much more leading edge and where we want to be heading or directing the organization's growth towards. Well, to recap some of the events over the last year, our view is that we've been able to engineer a remarkable turnaround for the company in terms of the revenue, the types of clients, the size of contracts, and the corresponding revenues that we've been able to generate for the company. Those projects are multi-year engagements. The revenue should continue to, they provide a stable base from which we can hopefully hit the next phase of outsized growth. And we believe that growth will be outsized because of the additional resources that we've put into the sales and business development functions for the organization. It's remarkable that we've gotten some of these contracts with really not a dedicated sales capability. So now that we've got that, that's actually really exciting for us as we move forward through the year and what that brings in terms of the potential for additional growth. In short, we're really looking forward to what the next 2-3 quarters holds for us in what we're thinking or what we're predicting or hoping will be an outsized period of growth. Thank you.